Most people look at credit and only see a score. But lenders do not just see a number. They see a story. Your credit report shows your accounts, payments, debts, collections, inquiries, and more. That story helps companies decide if you look low risk, medium risk, or high risk. Here's what you'll learn in today's class. Understand the key sections of your credit report, identify what impacts your credit score, learn how to spot errors and disputes, discover differences between credit report sources, and know what details to look for in reports. Let's get started. Here are some key terms for this lesson. Public record. Certain legal records that may appear on a credit report. Date of first delinquency. The first date the account went late. Tri-merge report. A credit report that combines data from all three major credit bureaus. Full bureau disclosure. A more complete version of your credit file from the credit bureau. Now let's jump in. The first section is personal information. This can include your name, past names, addresses, date of birth, social security number mask, and job history. This section does not create your score by itself, but it helps match accounts to you. If the wrong name or address appears, it can be a clue that something needs review. Next are your accounts. Open accounts are active, like a credit card, car loan, mortgage, or personal loan. Closed accounts are no longer active, but they may still matter. A closed account with good history can help tell a strong story. A closed account with late payments can still hurt how risky you look. Payment history shows if you paid on time or late. This is one of the biggest parts of your credit story. Balances show how much you owe. Credit limits show how much credit you can use. For example, if your card limit is $1,000 and you owe $900, that can look risky because you are using most of your available credit. Collections happen when a debt is sent or sold to a collection company. A charge-off means the original creditor gave up treating the account as a normal active account, usually after many missed payments. Charge-off does not always mean the debt disappeared. These items can make a report look higher risk, so they need careful review. Inquiries show who checked your credit. A hard inquiry can happen when you apply for credit. Public records can include certain court-related items, like bankruptcy. Remarks are notes on accounts. Dispute comments are notes added when an item is being challenged. These notes can matter because lenders may read them as part of your story.